New England gets the ball. They want to put their defense on the field.
Here, where are you going?
Okay, here we go. Delivery 3. Here we go. What's her name? I can't read. I can't read their name. I don't know their apartment. Tell me their
How much money have you made?
Tell me their apartment really quick, will you? What's their name? Okay, 3G. Here we go.
I have to stay in the car. Your car's running.
Okay. See you later. Bye.
All right, see ya. Nice hustle.
Thanks.
Nice hustle.
Oh, almost went down. Did you get that? Almost went down. There's ice underneath the road.
Nice.
All right.